Hi good people, welcome back to my channel. Let's come and join us here and stay tuned in my channel. For today, we are going to show you how to make a raspberry use the balloon twist. Let's prepare the balloon for two colors. We prepare it one by one because we use more than one piece of a balloon. And for the first, we use the red color, two pieces of red color, and then we tie the nozzle together. So we start twisting with the small bubble. Let's see. Yeah. So we make it about 2 or maybe 3 fingers bubble, and the other one we make smaller than that. And for the next, that's the same thing. We twist like that. One of the balloon we make about 3 fingers bubble, and the other one we make about 2 fingers bubble. Okay, so just stay tuned here and pay your attention to the details how to make the raspberry with the balloon twist. About the size, you can make it in different size. Maybe you make the big one, it will be 3 fingers bubble with 2 fingers bubble, because you know how is the size for the raspberry fruit. It is the same thing like grapes, so it doesn't the same of the size. All right, we get for the size, and now the rest of the balloon we discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. Then you can make it tidy as well by cutting the rest of that balloon. Okay, we get the size. So just make it like a circle. The end of the balloon and the nozzles we tied together. Alright, for everyone, actually this step and for the raspberry fruits with the balloon twist is very easy to make and doesn't much twisting. That's just a small bubble with 3 fingers bubble and 2 fingers bubble for the small one. Alright, for everyone, for the next balloon here we still the same thing, that's a small bubble and a fingers bubble. Okay. So this is for the super of the raspberry. Then will be bigger than the first we have done. And totally for the balloon, 3 pieces of the red color and 1 piece of green color. Okay, for the rest of the balloon we can discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. Yeah, this will be on the top of the raspberry because this is bigger than the first we have done. For the rest of the balloon we can uninflate it, but don't need to cutting because we are going to use the rest of that for the tie or to twisting with the green color. Okay, this is for the green color, still the same step. This will be raspberry leaves. Let's see, it's still the same steps. That's a fingers bubble and a small bubble. The big one we make it about three fingers bubble here, and the smaller one we can make it about 2 fingers bubble. So it's just 1 fingers the difference. Okay, now we get it. And for the rest of the balloon we can bend that to get the nice shape for the stem of the raspberry balloon. Okay, the first thread and the second thread we just make it top and below, and now we make the green one on the top one. Okay, like you see, so this is the nice raspberry balloon. You can see that it just looks like the real one. Okay, for everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for joining. Don't forget to support my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. Maybe you can share to your friends to get more support to growing up my channel. Then we'll see you again. Thank you for watching and bye bye.